Hello children, welcome back. In the previous video children, we have started chapter 5 in EVS and your chapter 5 is producing food. Right. Now, as the name or you can say or the title of the food is indicating us that in this particular chapter we will come to know how we are growing food, how we are producing it, right? So there are different ways by which we are producing food, like the farmers, there are different types of farmers also, there is different type of agriculture also, there are different methods of agriculture, right? So all that thing and what are the problems that are being faced by the farmers while growing crops, while doing harvesting, while looking after them, right children? So this is all that we are going to study in this particular chapter. Children, for your revision point of view, in the last previous video we have seen there were 6 methods through which we will be doing an agricultural practice in a sequence, right? So I will just give a quick revision to you that this what are the sequence in which the farmer gets his field ready, grows crops and harvests it, right? So the sequence to do agriculture are, now your first thing is irrigation. In irrigation what we do children, we just remove the unwanted particles that are present on the soil or of the field. Secondly, we just label the ground if it is not in a proper labeling manner, right? After that, in the second thing we use is plowing the seed like this. In the picture you can see, here you are seeing irrigation he is doing with this. Then after plowing the field he is maintaining the soil, you can say, or managing the soil in a proper way by using a tractor, or you can say by some bullocks or bulls also we use and do it. So the second is your plowing the field, right? Your third point was sowing the seeds मतलब जब हम जो हमारा फील्ड है, सॉइल है, उसमें हम सीड्स उगाते हैं, तो हम जो सीड्स जब डाल रहे होते हैं ज़मीन में, वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज सोइंग ऑफ सीड्स, राइट? सो हियर वी से इट एज sowing of seeds. Then fourth is your adding manure. Children, adding manure means ये एक तरह का केमिकल होता है which you can say it is used so that the soil becomes more fertile and your crops are growing in a good and a proper way in a large amount, right? So your fourth thing is addition of manure. After addition of manure comes is crop protection means हम जब हमारे क्रॉप्स उग जाते हैं, जब वो थोड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं, तो उसमें हम क्या, what are we doing? We are sprinkling some chemicals on it, right? Why we are doing it? Because with the help of these chemicals we are protecting our crops from the insect. Why? Because insects can eat the crops, they can damage the crops, right? So the fifth point is crop production. After that, last is when we are done with everything, last is doing harvesting. Harvesting means when our crops are ready, we will cut the crops, and then if it depends on the farmers whether they are selling it or whether they are keeping it for their own family use. So the last sequence that comes is your harvesting. right? So these were the six sequence methods to do the agriculture. Now after that we did what do we mean by agriculture, children. So what is an agriculture, right? So that means your next topic was agriculture. अब एग्रीकल्चर क्या होता है, राइट? एग्रीकल्चर इज नथिंग, इट इज़ अ वे, a method through which we get food. So if in a definition form, if it is asked what is agriculture, so agriculture is a way that provides us food, fibers for clothing, and various raw materials for industrial sectors. Right. Now when we are talking about this, so this all agriculture has been done by farmers. So in India 70% of population lives in villages and depends upon farming, right? So 70% of population lives in villages and they depend on farming. Now when we are coming to farming, there are mainly two types of farmers, right? So there are two types of farmers. Now when I'm talking, there are two types of, first is your commercial farmer. Now commercial farmer. Now children, who is commercial farmer? Commercial farmer is a person who is having his own land, right? उसकी खुद की ज़मीन होती है and he is just it can be it is, and that land is in a very big land, you can say, and the crops that he is growing on a large scale मतलब बहुत ही large amount में वो crops को grow करते हैं and then they sell that crop in the market to earn money, right? Now those people who are growing their crops on their own land and selling that crop in the market to earn money are known as commercial farmers, right? Then second is your subsistence farmers. अब subsistence farmers क्या होते हैं? ये subsistence farmers वो farmers होते हैं जिनके पास बहुत कम ज़मीन होती है and whatever they are growing in that field वो उनके खुद के यूज़ के लिए होती है, खुद के यूज़ के लिए, खुद के फैमिली के यूज़ के लिए होती है, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं subsistence farmers, right? So here if I am asking you about the difference between the commercial farmer and the subsistence farmers, so what will be the difference? First, commercial farmers are those farmers which own a large land, right? और जो हमारे subsistence farmers होते हैं, they own a small area of land. Commercial farmers grow crops in a large scale, या you can say on a large scale, बहुत ज़्यादा amount में grow करते हैं crops. Whereas जो हमारे subsistence farmers होते हैं, they grow small scale crops. Small scale means not in a large amount. just they focus on growing enough crops which is helpful to them. Commercial farmers क्या होते हैं? Commercial farmers are the crops that they are growing because they have to sell that crop in the market and they have to earn money. But जहाँ तक हमारे जो subsistence farmers होते हैं, वो जो अपनी small field पे जो भी crops grow कर रहे हैं, that is only for their need, right? तो these are the two types of farmers. एक और टाइप का फार्मर होता है एंड दोज फार्मर्स, उनको हम बोलते हैं नोमैडिक फार्मर्स, राइट? अब हु आर नोमैडिक फार्मर्स चिल्ड्रन? नोमैडिक फार्मर्स मतलब, नोमैडिक वर्ड मतलब होता है मूवेबल, नोमैड मतलब होता है मूवेबल. तो वो फार्मर्स जो एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस मूव करते रहते हैं इन सर्च ऑफ सम स्मॉल न्यू प्लॉट जहाँ पे वो काम कर सकें, उनको हम बोलते हैं नोमैडिक farmers, right? So now I will tell you from the book. There are also nomadic farmers who keep moving from place to place looking for few pastures or new plots for cultivation, right? और वो कब तक करते हैं? They farm a land for 2-3 years and they move from there, right? तो nomadic farmers वो farmers हैं जो एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस मूव करते रहते हैं. दे आर नॉट स्टेइंग एट अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस फॉर more than 2-3 years, right children? Now I am stopping over here. Tomorrow we will be doing the seasonal migrators.